Welcome back to the channel. If you've missed filing your taxes for a previous year, don't panic. You can still get caught up. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to file back taxes using TurboTax step by step in a way that's clear, simple, and stress-free. Stick with me to the end so you know every detail you need to stay compliant and avoid unnecessary penalties. First, open your web browser and go to the official TurboTax website. On the top right, click Sign In. If you already have a TurboTax account, enter your credentials. New user, no problem. Just click Create an Account and follow the prompts to set one up. Navigate to Tax Tools. Once you're signed in and on the TurboTax homepage, look to the left side of the screen for Tax Tools. Click it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Tools. This is where the magic begins. Clear and Start Over. Inside the Tools section, you'll see an option called Clear and Start Over in Aura. This is key for filing back taxes. Selecting it will wipe any current entries and give you a fresh start for the tax year you actually need to file. Don't worry, TurboTax will ask you to confirm so you don't accidentally delete anything important. Prepare your documents. Before you dive in, make sure you have all the necessary tax documents for the year you're filing. This includes W-2 forms from all your employers for that year. Any 1099 forms if you were self-employed or had freelance income. Other relevant paperwork like interest statements, deductions, or credits. Having everything ready will prevent errors and make the process much smoother. Enter the correct tax year. TurboTax will guide you to select the exact tax year you need to file, whether it's last year or several years back. Double-check this selection. Filing under the wrong year can delay your return and cause headaches with the IRS. Follow the guided process. From here, TurboTax works like a personal assistant. Just answer the questions it asks, enter your income details, deductions, and credits for that specific year, and it will calculate everything for you. The platform will even alert you if something doesn't add up. Review and file. When you're finished, review every section carefully. TurboTax provides a final checklist so you can catch errors before submitting. Once you're confident, e-file if the year allows it, or follow the instructions to print and mail your return if e-filing isn't available for older tax years. And that's it. You've successfully filed your back taxes using TurboTax. Remember, the sooner you file, the sooner you can reduce penalties and interest, and maybe even claim a refund you're owed. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who needs to get their taxes back on track. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical finance and tech tutorials. See you in the next video.